How to do Pearl Facial at home for glowing / spotless / flawless skin. Pearl Facial benefits. 1. Softer skin. Pearl powder is known to break down dead skin and peel it to reveal naturally glowing, soft skin in one use. 2. Anti-aging. This facial will not only prevent age spots, but will also tighten your skin to give you a wrinkle-free existence. Say goodbye to age spots and those pesky crow's feet as well. 3. Shrinks pores. A pearl facial at home on a regular basis will help tighten your pores, which will make it hard for dirt and germs to settle down and give you skin problems. 4. Removes tan. This facial is full of organic properties that are extremely beneficial for your skin. A pearl facial saves your skin from sun damage, and efficiently removes tan to give you back your natural complexion. 5. Pearl facial for oily skin. Regular use of this facial ensures the removal and accumulation of dirt and grime from your skin, making it pimple-free. How to do pearl facial at home. Ingredients. You'll need 4 teaspoon pure pearl powder, 2 tablespoon pure pearl cream, 2 teaspoon raw milk, 2 tablespoon rose water, 1 teaspoon olive oil, for dry skin, 1 tablespoon fresh cream, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 egg, 2 teaspoon lemon juice, 2 teaspoon of cucumber juice. Steps. 1. Pour the raw milk on a cotton pad and wipe your face with it. This helps remove all the impurities and acts a cleanser. 2. Mix 2 teaspoon pearl powder and the rose water and scrub your face gently with the mixture. If you have dry skin, then add the coconut oil to this mixture and then scrub your face. 3. Gently wash this scrub after scrubbing for 10 minutes and apply the pearl cream. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. 4. Make another mixture of fresh cream, the egg, the lemon juice, honey, and 2 teaspoon pearl powder and apply on your face. This will help treat the acne as well as tighten your skin. 5. After the mask dries up, wash your face with lukewarm water. 6. Apply the cucumber juice mixed with the rose water on your face and let it dry. Wash your face with a gentle face wash after about 20 minutes. Don't forget to moisturize your skin with Olay Natural White 7-in-1 Night Nourishing Repair Cream. Your pearl facial is done. Don't hesitate to look in the mirror. You'll need some shades to protect yourself from that glow. If you like this video, I ask 3 favors. Subscribe my channel. Give a like. Share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.